Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl, FUNMYTE. Guys, are you feeling this air? Hey, hey, I am feeling this air. What are you talking about? Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? Hey, oh, hey, hey, what do I give them? Hey, hey, guys, like, if this is your first time on this channel, what is your gain if you are not clicking on that subscribe button right now? No gain, and it's free, guys. Like, it's free. Don't think you have to, because I know subscribe sounds more like pay for something. It's free. Just click subscribe, click like, click share, click comment. Free, everything free. So to my old subscribers, thank you for always sticking with me, and to my new subscribers, thank you, you're very welcome. I appreciate you. So my name is Funmi, popularly known as FUNMYTE. Guys, I am just feeling this air, like, you know what, I just thought, let me go funky today, you know. Let me give you guys funky look. Like, let me give you funky. See babe, hey. Anyways, guys, I am ranting too much. Yeah, today's video, I just want to share a bit about the pressure of trying for a baby. Yeah, so I have a little experience, just a little experience about this, and of course I know where other women that are praying and trying for the fruit of the womb, I know where they are coming from. I know how it feels. So for my when I lost my first baby, when I lost my first pregnancy, I would say, yeah, I had a stillbirth. So I was trying immediately. Not immediately really, because I bled for like 6 to 8 weeks. Yeah, and immediately my streaming stopped. I started trying. I just because I just thought, you know, because my body was still fresh from losing a baby, so if I try immediately, like, I will just get pregnant immediately. So I was just trying for like some months after, like I would say like 3 months after. Yeah, so 3 months after, nothing happened, and every month I see my period, I would just get angry. I would just be angry. I would be so disappointed, like, oh, so it doesn't happen again this month. So it just got to a stage that I just felt like, you know what, you know, I just can't be bothered about trying for a baby anymore. And because before losing that my first pregnancy, they already told me that I can never make babies anymore, like, in my life. Then I got pregnant for that baby. Then I of course I lost the pregnancy at 5 months. I had a stillbirth. Yeah, so, and me now trying after losing that baby 3 months after, like, I just felt like maybe, you know, that just clicked in my head that they already told me that I can't have any baby, so let me just leave it. Like, let me just live my life, let me just, you know, move on. So, you know, I bled for 2 months, right, and I tried for 3 months. That's five months in total. And it was now that time that I feel like, you know, let me just move on. That was a miracle baby, and they already said I can't have a baby, so maybe it will never happen again. So then I took my mind off it, and then immediately I took my mind off it, so we were just, you know, enjoying ourselves. Yeah. So, and the next month, which was the 6th month, I just missed my period. I was like, could it be pregnancy? Then I did the test, and it was I got pregnant again. So what I'm trying to drive out in this one is that if you are trying for a baby, I know how frustrating it can be, trust me, because even for that 5 months that 3 months actually, because I didn't try immediately because I was still bleeding. I still, you see, for that 3 months only that I tried for, it felt like 3 years. Trust me, like it was so frustrating. So I can imagine women out there that are trying for years, for 5, 6, 10, 20, 30 like years. I know how frustrating that can be. Honestly, I know exactly how you're feeling. So, but what I'm trying to drive out is that, you know, sometimes putting pressure on yourself, trying for a baby and putting that pressure, I mean, your body, I mean, your blood will be so hurt, yeah, to hold up a baby, because you are not resting, you are not calm. Like, I mean, it's all over you, like, oh, I want a baby. I know exactly how it feels. So if you are trying for a baby, you know, I'm not saying that this could be the case for everyone, because everyone's case is different. But if you are trying for a baby and you haven't got any problem, like any womb problem or anything, then I feel like maybe 80% is because probably you're stressed about the whole thing. You're stressing yourself. And the other thing that I know, and this happens to most women and they don't know, yes, they don't know, is hormonal imbalance. Yes, I mean, it's very real. Hormonal imbalance is either your hormone is too high or your hormone is too low. If you have any of these two, low or high, that person can never get pregnant. Yes. If you have this hormonal imbalance for even 50 years, that person can never get pregnant. That's just the truth. So, and to his hormonal imbalance, first things, yes, there are vitamins for hormones, to get your hormones balanced, which you can check with your doctor. You can go for blood tests to know what exactly is going on, and you just tell them that, okay, can they test your hormone, like can they do a hormone test for you to be very sure that you haven't got any hormonal imbalance. Yeah, so when they run the test and you've got it, any vitamins they give you, take it. And also, to support the vitamins to work, then you need to rest well. You need to take yourself off pressure. You need to do a bit of exercise, and you need to ease your mind. Move away from anything that will give you stress, that will give you any pressure, and make sure you are resting well, and do not do anything that is strenuous. Yeah, so I just thought, let me share a little bit that I know. This might not be the case for everyone, but this is just the little that I know, and I feel like it can help someone out there, because sometimes the doctors don't even check this hormonal imbalance. If you lay a complaint that you've been trying, they'll just keep giving you this fertility drugs to be taken. But that's not the next thing. The next thing is, because even if you have hormonal imbalance, if you're taking all of this fertility medicine, it will not work. It won't work. So you need to check your hormonal hormone first to be sure that it is not hormonal imbalance, and this can cause women not to conceive for years. Yes, it can. So yeah, so I hope my video helps someone out there, and I hope that I am able to inspire someone. So guys, this will be the end of today's video. If you love my video, please give it that very big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Yeah, support your baby girl. Support me. So if you are a new subscriber, or if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, what is your gain? My brother and sister, what is your gain? If you're not supporting your favorite baby girl, what is your gain? Please click on that subscribe button. And on this channel, I do lifestyle, I talk about relationship, babies, motherhood, beauty, feminine hygiene, you know, and all that good stuff. Yes, anything good, I'll bring it on your table. I'll bring it on the table for you. Anything I feel like, oh, my people, you, my family, my YouTube family, you can gain from this, or this can help someone out there, I will share it on here. I am not stingy. Yes, I want everybody to have what they don't have. If I know the way they can have it. Yes, I'll come here and share with you guys. So this will be the end of today's video, guys, and of course, you know your baby girls is in love with you, right? I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. I am feeling this L. What are you talking about? My dad is calling. Let me pick it so, because he will keep calling. What do you think about my makeup, guys? I feel like my face is popping. Everything on fleek. I'm gonna show you my full outfit.